welcome to our next online Storytime session. It's great to see you. My name's Gabby.
I'm Phil.
And I'm Maddie.
And it's fabulous that you're here today with us to share some stories and songs. But before our session starts, what do we have to do? We have to sing our hello song. Can I get a big wavy hello hand up in the air? Excellent, here we go. Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? Oh, nice part, crazy. How about we do it one more time with two big wavy hands? All right, let's go. Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? Oh, well, guess what, everyone? It's a beautiful day to be outside today. The sun is shining, so we're going to go for a row in our boat. All right, we go and get our oars going. All right, now be sure you don't fall overboard. All right, let's go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Rock, rock, rock your boat faster down the stream. Try not to fall overboard and don't let out a scream. Who fell overboard? Oh dear, you're a bit wet.
Yeah,
there.
the water's very cold.
Oh, well, it's a beautiful, warm, sunny day out there. You won't take long to dry it off.
That's true.
Well, you know what? I have a fantastic story for you today about some friends that go for a row in their boat on the bay. Let's see if we can guess who sank the boat. All right. This is Who Sank the Boat by Pamela Allen. All right, let's have a look. Beside the sea, on Mr. Pepper's place, there lived a cow, a donkey, a sheep, a pig, and a tiny little mouse. They were all good friends, and one warm sunny morning, for no particular reason, they decided to go for a row in the bay. Do you know who sank the boat? Was it the cow who almost fell in when she tilted the boat and made a din? No, it wasn't the cow who almost fell in. Do you know who sank the boat? Was it the donkey who balanced her weight? Who yelled, "Oh, get in at the bow before it's too late"? No, it wasn't the donkey who balanced her weight. Do you know who sank the boat? Uh-oh. Was it the pig as fat as butter who stepped in at the side and caused a great flutter? No, it wasn't the pig as fat as butter. Do you know who sank the boat? Was it the sheep man who knew where to sit to level the boat so that she could knit? No, it wasn't the sheep who knew where to sit. Do you know who sank the boat? Was it the tiny little mouse?
It's me.
The last to get in, who was lightest of all? Could it be him? Do you know who sank the boat? Who sank the boat, everyone?
It was the mouse.
Was it the little mouse, the lightest of all? Nice listening, everyone. Give yourself a clap. And don't forget, if you're doing our books, 1,000 Books Before School program, you can tick off another story.
Great.
Okay,
Some more singing?
fantastic. Yes, how about we all go on a bus ride? The wheels on the bus, what do? Go round and round. The wipers go swish, swish, swish. The children go up and down. The babies go wow, wow, wow. And the parents go shh, shh, shh. Well done.
Very good.
All right, are we ready? Let's go. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all the way to town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all the way to town. The children on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The children on the bus go up and down, all the way to town. Uh-oh! The babies on the bus go wah, 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 wah. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 all the way to town. Oh no! The parents on the bus go shh, 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 shh. The parents on the bus go shh, 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 all the way to town. Oh, lovely singing, everyone! All right, it's been fantastic having you with us today. We hope to see you next time. Keep posted. We're going to sing our goodbye song. Here we go. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you